Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 1790. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 1790 won't hold a charge, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to battery degradation over time, which can affect your device's performance. If not addressed promptly, you may find yourself unable to use your Conga 1790 effectively, leading to inconvenience in your daily cleaning routine. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery compatible with the Conga 1790, and some tweezers. First, ensure the device is unplugged and turned off. Carefully use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing of the Conga 1790, starting at one edge and gently working your way around. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips or the casing itself. Once you have opened it, locate the battery, which is typically secured by a few screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws and set them aside safely. Gently lift the battery out, being mindful of any wires attached. Disconnect the battery cables carefully using your tweezers. It's crucial not to pull on the wires aggressively, as this could damage them. Replace the old battery with the new one, ensuring that you connect the cable securely. When reassembling, remember to replace the screws you removed earlier, applying a moderate amount of force to secure them without over-tightening. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, close the casing of the Conga 1790.